everybody, I'm back. For those of you who do not know me, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Tamara and I run the beauty and travel blog Lover of Shades. And just to do some shameless plugging, before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my blog, which is loverofshades.com. I cover all things beauty as well as all things travel. And then also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on my social media, which is Lover of Shades on both Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm actually going to be featuring two products, and they are, well, three, and they're coming from the same brand, which is called Juvia's Place. Before we start the video, however, I just want to do a quick, y'all, these lipsticks trying to roll off the table. I just want to do a quick swatch. So just to go over the colors very quickly, this is Marrakesh, love Marrakesh, been there before, Aziza, Hadia, Berber, that Berber whiskey, and Morocco, bomb. Nomad, child, I don't know how to pronounce this name, but it's a city in Morocco. Fes, I have not been to Fes, I want to go to Fes so bad, that's also Morocco. Zora and Taza. So these colors are so gorgeous. I use every single color in this tutorial. I just want to do quick swatches on a few of the colors. Let's see. You see that? Those are just 5 of the 9 colors. You see how pigmented that is? I didn't even apply it onto my eyes yet. Well, I did, but you didn't even see me apply it onto my eyes yet. This is just quick, just simple swatches. The colors are gorgeous, but that's one of the main things that I love about Juvia's Place, and that's one of the best things that Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes are known for. So if you want to get a look like this or something similar and learn how to do it step by step, because it is not as hard as you think, go ahead and stay tuned and we'll get started. Okay, so let's get started. First, we're going to take the color Taza, and with a crease brush, and you see that windshield wiping motion I'm using? I'm just applying that, using that technique to apply it onto my crease. Next, I'm going to take the color Zora, and I'm going to do the same exact method. I'm going to apply it on top of the Taza just to kind of give it this gradient shade or this gradual shade. Don't worry about it getting on the rest of your lid. We're going to fix that in a second. Next, I'm simply taking a cream concealer or a cream, and I'm going to apply it along the crease of my eyelid. So I'm doing this freehand. There's other techniques, however, this is the technique I'm most comfortable with. But the end goal is just to apply the cream concealer on top of your crease, because basically we're going to do a cut crease look. Next, we're going to take Fes, and from Fes, all I'm simply doing is just applying it into my outer V, which is also the corner of your upper eyelid. Next, I'm taking Nomad, and you could apply this with your finger, or you could also use the brush technique like I did, and you just apply it on top. Now I'm taking a blending brush and I'm blending it out. It is very important that you blend out the shadow that you applied thus far. Make sure you blend it going into your crease. The reason why is because you want it to blend seamlessly together, the final look. You don't want to make it seem like you put just a whole bunch of colors on top of each other. If you do decide to do that, just please don't tell them that I told you to do that, because I didn't tell you to do that. So let's just blend it out. Now we're going to take Berber, and I'm using my finger just for better control. I'm just going to apply it in the middle of my shadow, in the middle of my inner lid and outer lid. I use my finger because it just gives me a more precise finish. Now I'm taking Hadia, and I'm doing the same thing, however I'm strictly sticking to my inner lid. Now this is one of 3 colors we're going to apply. The next one we're going to use is Marrakesh. I'm using the same technique, cleaning my finger off, taking it, and applying it on. Finally, I'm taking Aziza, and I'm doing the same thing, taking that finger, putting it on top. But you see how pretty that finish is already looking, and we didn't even blend everything out yet just to make it look seamless. However, now's the time to blend it out. So I'm taking that same crease brush and just simply blending it out. Now I'm taking a baby wipe. Yes, you heard me, a baby wipe. Don't feel like you have to use a makeup wipe. It's not necessary. But I'm taking a baby wipe and I'm simply wiping off that excess eyeshadow so I can get a precise look when it's time for me to do my liner. I will be doing a liner tutorial in a separate video. Now I'm taking, it's called Vivid Halo, and it's actually by NYX. I call it yellow because that's what it is. It's yellow, y'all. But anyway, I'm simply aligning the top of my crease with it. I originally used a gold like shimmer liner. However, with the yellow liner, it just is more of a pop and it comes out better. And then I just simply put the gold liner on top. Now the whole time I was breathing in and out slow because this is a very precise job. There have been several times I've done this and messed up my whole eyeshadow look. So you don't want to do that. Take your time. Alright, now I'm using a purple liner. It's not by any brand. I got it from the beauty supply store. And I'm just putting it into my waterline. Now I'm taking that same Zora color and I'm putting it right underneath my waterline. The brush I'm using is just like, I call it a detail brush, but it's just a fine brush. Now I'm using Berber, and you see I'm actually using the brush this time and not my finger. That's because I don't want to smudge it all over the place. I already have foundation on, but you just apply that in between. Finally, I'm using Marrakesh, and with the same brush, I'm just applying the eyeshadow into my inner tear duct. Now I'm taking a Ziza and I'm putting this inside my inner tear duct. The reason why I like doing this is because I personally feel like it just draws attention to your eyes. And I don't know about you, I love applying eyeshadow, so I want people to look at it. So that's why I apply it. I normally take a shimmer color or even a highlight shimmer and I apply it into my inner tear duct because I really just want to give my eyes that pop. Now I'm just taking a mascara. That's by Maybelline, but you can use any one you want. And I'm simply applying mascara to my lower lash line. In my opinion, this is what completes the eyeshadow look or the eye look, but it's up to you. And then you done, boo. There goes your eyeshadow look. Put on that flash and show off. But let's get to these lips though because they look toe up. So what I did was I pretty much took a NYX liner and I'm lining my lips. I like to do this because I just love the finish of the look after applying lipstick. Now what I'm about to do is I'm going to take my matte Candace liquid lipstick and I'm just applying that inside the liner, the lip liner. Sorry, my mouth looking a little crazy, but you get the point. Now I just went ahead and took the metallic portion of the Candace lipstick and I'm putting that on top. Also off camera, I used a Sephora pink lip color as well. And we did it. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and put some more makeup on off camera and I'll give you my final thoughts. Hey everybody, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it. Today I am featuring two products from Juvia's Place. The first one is the Saharan 2 palette, as well as a lipstick color, which is called Candace, I believe. And Juvia's Place always have their lippies come in sets of 2. One is matte and one is metallic. So that's one of the best things that I love about their lipstick sets. And this is the final look, like I said. I tried my best to break it down step by step. However, if you have any questions, which is totally fine, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. If you have any positive comments or even any constructive feedback comments, just go ahead and drop them in the comment box below. Don't worry, I'm going to list everything that I use in the tutorial today in the description box below, all the products, even the ones that I used off camera, so don't worry, I have you on that. If you like this video, don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and then while you're subscribing to my channel, please go ahead and check out my other forms of media, which is the main one is my blog, which is Loverofshades.com, where I talk about all things beauty, all things travel. Side note, you might hear the heat in the background. It is quite cold today in New York. I've been trying to wait I've been waiting, hoping that the heat will go off and stay off long enough for me to start the video and to start talking, but it didn't, so don't mind that, and apologies for that. While you're subscribing to my blog, go ahead and follow me on both Instagram and Facebook. You can find me at the handle Lover of Shades. So I hope again you enjoyed the video, and please continue to follow me because I'll be continuing my how-to series, and I'll be covering a whole bunch of basic things such as how to apply eyeliner, how to apply false lashes, which I actually mastered, how to clean your makeup brushes, what makeup brushes to use, what are the uses for each brush, etc. Things of that nature. So until then, I'll see you next time. God bless and have a nice day. Bye.